So guys, I'm going to buy feed for the chicken. Guys, I have to do another part 2 because it's the first video it cut off. So I end up by do a part 2. So I'm walking, going by the feeding place to buy the feeding for the chicken. You too forgive me for that music because I was passing that passing. I wasn't in the music. I was passing, so please forgive me for that music. Guys, I'm going up a hill. This is a gas station, Mayara gas station, 1 Mayara gas station. I can't see nothing on the screen because of the sun glaze. They are tired. I'm going up a hill. But this is a hard way. Oh, I'm fine. Yes. Guys, I'm under a sapodilla tree, a gooseberry tree. Whew. Tired. And I still have some walking to do because I'm going to look at charger for my stepdaughter. Oh God. So guys, I'm reaching the feeding shop. Whew. Oh. Let me catch my breath.
Ooh.
Good morning. I need a bag of feeding for boilers. They're 4 weeks old.
Need start over.
Go. So this is in the agro shop. This is Aunty agro shop. Agro. How much for it? Yeah.
$2.25.
Ooh. That is so feel cool and nice. Whew. Just 1 second. Whew. I just taking some of the fresh air. Walking in the sun is so hot out there.
That's it.
I'm coming back for it, right? Hmm? What time now? Oh, I just gonna get the car.
Yes. We have 5.50, 10.50.
Thank you. Guys, I got the fig now. So I'm leaving. So alright, guys, see you later. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. So please watch, like, share my video, subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you. Bye for now. Later. Okay, guys. Bye.